fashion trend of today is that everything is organic and eco-friendly, and Blondie made earrings for herself out of dried pineapple. Insert earring blanks into dried pineapple rings. Attach a jump ring and chain using pliers. Attach a clasp on top. Fasten it with pliers. My friend looks like a princess of Ecuador with these earrings. I want an accessory like this right now. Moreover, pineapple earrings are very handy. If you want to have a snack while you are on the go, just bite off a piece of your stylish accessory. My friend is about to come any minute. I need to get ready for a party quickly. I put treats on the table. It looks really bad. I turn a cookie party into a tropical one with one slight movement. Cut a pineapple. Cut out the flesh along the peel. Make a horizontal cut at the bottom. Remove the flesh entirely. Cut it into 4 parts and remove the core. And cut the flesh into cubes. Cut off the leaves at the top, leaving a few of the longest ones for a tail. Cut off the top edges that still have peel and shape it into a ball. Cut a slanted piece out of a carrot and attach the carrot to the pineapple top using a toothpick. Fix the shape of the beak using a peeler. Stick peppercorns instead of eyes. Use toothpicks to fasten the parrot to the pineapple cup. Meet my pineapple friend, Jojo the parrot. The only thing left to do is to add a flower into my hair and meet my friend. Blondie is excited by my new pet. Jojo can cook pineapple cubes better than anyone else. It's such a cutie! In addition to this, you don't need to feed this parrot. Only benefits. Blondie's lips are chapped. I know what will help her. I've got a surprise. It's a pineapple EOS. Prepare EOS in a yellow container. Remove the lip balm. Clean the grid. Melt the balm in a microwave. And add yellow food coloring. Mix it and pour it into the cap. Decorate the container when the lip balm hardens. Wrap the container with self-adhesive nail strips crosswise. Make a cut so that the lip balm opens. Decorate the diamond shape with rhinestones. Cut artificial long leaves and attach them to get the top of the pineapple. And fasten it to the EOS cap. My friend opens her own pineapple. It is so cute! It is so pleasant to apply this pineapple lip balm. Now, my lips will never be chapped. The tiny pineapple will take care of it. I have already heard Blondie's tropical vacation story a gazillion times. I just can't stand listening to her story about running away from crocodiles and taking a selfie with a shark. My phone is my escape, but this will not stop Blondie. She has brought a treat. It's an unusual tropical pineapple. She even has a recipe how to grow it at home. Cut off a top of a pineapple and cut off the bottom part of a grapefruit. Attach them together and plant. Water it thoroughly and observe your new hybrid fruit grow. I cut the fruit. Curly Sue finally pulls away from her phone, and there is not a pineapple inside. A grapefruit has grown inside instead of a pineapple. It's a miracle! It smells like a real one. Did you actually grow it yourself? Got you, friend! Cut the flesh out of a pineapple. Peel a grapefruit and take the flesh. And stick the grapefruit into a pineapple peel. Fasten the pineapple top using toothpicks. What would you name this symbiosis? Grape apple or pine fruit? I need to take a photo with it right now. People will think that I had a tropical vacation too. My friend and I drink tea with yummies. But why would we eat regular cookies when we can make sweet pineapple treats? Cut a pineapple into thick rings. Cut out different figures out of them using cookie cutters. Stick skewers into the figures and dip them into melted confectionery glaze. Cover the glaze with sprinkles while it is still hot. Pineapple figures covered with sweet glaze are finger-lickin' good. This is exactly what you need for a big group of friends. Every guest would like to help oneself to this pineapple on a skewer. So prepare more figures. My friend decides to decorate a shelf with a pineapple. But a fresh pineapple would be more appropriate in the kitchen. And we can make a creative decor for the living room. A pineapple-shaped candle jar. Use a sponge to apply yellow acrylic paint to a glass jar. Paint check marks with black paint. Make it look like a pineapple peel. Cut out 2 details for a leaf out of green felt. Cut a straw. Hot glue 2 halves of the leaf and hot glue a piece of the straw inside so that the leaf doesn't fall. Hot glue a few leaves like this to the jar lid. Put an LED candle inside the jar. Paint the lid in green. Blondie is bewildered. Where's her nice pineapple? But this candle jar is even better. Moreover, it can last for ages and won't go bad. And it is better to eat a real pineapple. I am cleaning up in my apartment and I find glitter traces everywhere. What's wrong? Did a star actually fall here? But there is only one person who fell from space, and this is my friend. She decided to make a bright pink glittering pineapple. Paint a pineapple with pink food paint. Sprinkle it with edible glitter on top. Paint the leaves separately. Inside and outside. And sprinkle them with edible glitter too. So here is where all this glitter comes from. Blondie is thrilled with her new brilliant idea. This pineapple is a king of glamour. You can arrange a bright photo shoot with it, or use it as a party decoration, or just give it to a modern art museum. All eyes will definitely be on this pink and glamorous pineapple. I want to make a nice card, but something is missing. Maybe I should look for inspiration in the kitchen. There will be something interesting for sure. Blondie peels a potato. Problem solved! I will make a card with pineapples. What is the connection between potatoes and a pineapple? It's easy! Cut a raw potato in half. Cut out deep strips on it so that you get a diamond pattern. Cut out a slice of potato separately. Apply yellow paint to the cut. And make imprints on thick paper. Paint the slice in green. And make imprints of pineapple leaves. Fold the paper with the pineapple print in half and sign the card. Ready? My friend can't understand where her potato is, but she forgives me when I give her this bright card because Blondie loves pineapples more than potatoes. We almost finished the pineapple. It was tasty, but we do not want to rush to throw out the peel. My friend has one more recipe on how to use pineapple to the fullest extent. Cut a pineapple peel into elongated pieces. Put them into a cup. Cut a star fruit into thin pieces and put a few stars into the cup. Pour syrup inside and fill the glass with water. Mix it and decorate the glass. You get a delicious and refreshing cocktail. Furthermore, it's beautiful. You can close your eyes and imagine that you are in the jungles enjoying a hot resort, and life is beautiful. Did you like our pineapple ideas? Then write in your comments how you will use a pineapple next time. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny ideas on the Troom channel.